Paranoid by Black Sabbath is only 4 parts, with the vast majority being 1 part. This one right here. Let's go ahead and learn it. So that right there is going to be essentially majority of the song. You're going to be playing the 12th fret E, 14th fret A. You're going to play that twice. 2 measures, palm muting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Bring that down a whole step to your 10th fret E, 12th fret A for the D power chord. That's E power chord, it's a D power chord. Give me 1 measure of that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And then splash 3 quick power chords, really quick, cut off at the end. G5, D5, and E5, right? So that G5 is over here on the A string 10th fret, D string 12th fret. So the whole thing goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, D and 2 and 3 and 4 and G. And it's optional, you can give it a little splash of, right? That's the D string, G string, and B string 12th fret. Totally cool to do that or not, but you'll hear that at the end sometimes. Okay, so that right there is the meat of the song. Let's go ahead and get into the intro. I'm going a little bit out of order. So the intro is really cool. Check this out. So it's essentially just the same riff 4 times. We're basically playing 12th fret E, 12th fret A, just those 2. We're gonna hammer on with our 3rd finger to the 14th fret of the A. And do that 3 times. And then play a simple little riff. 12th fret to 14th fret on the A, hammer on, do the same thing on the D string, 12th fret to 14th fret. So, and then go back to your A string, 12th fret to 14th fret, 12th fret D, 14th fret of the A. Isn't that great? So do that 4 times, that's your intro. We only got 2 more parts left and they're really quick, they're really easy. Okay, let's dive in. What we're gonna call the break is actually pretty simple. You're gonna hear this twice in this song. It's gonna go like this. So we're just playing an E to a C to a D5 power chord. So E, 2, 3, 4, C to the D, back to E, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right, so E, C, D, come back for 2 measures, palm muting on that E5 right there. So one more time. 2, 3, 4, C to the D, back to E, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you simply repeat that. Break is done. Okay, that happens twice in this song. Listen for it. The only other part is the easiest of all time. It's what we're going to call the bridge. Here it is. Can you help me occupy my brain? Oh, yeah. Singing a whole octave lower. Hopefully copyright's not catching me. All right, don't come for me, Ozzy. Here it is. This is the bridge. That's when he says, can you help me occupy my brain? You're going to play E5. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the D5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. And then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Back to D. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm getting a little crazy here. So that's essentially it. Just those 4 parts. That's Paranoid. Enjoy. If you guys want the official tab with me correcting all the things and making sure it's perfect for you, I do have that in PDF form on my Patreon. You gotta be $5 member or greater. That little bit of amount of money does help me to put it into lights, into my own lunch, and into, you know, my pocket whenever I want to buy a new guitar and demonstrate something cool for you guys. So I do appreciate the support. I'll see you in the next video. Long live Ozzy.